Hey everyone, and welcome back. Loving the EngageBay free plan, but wondering when it's time to upgrade? In this video, I'll break down the key signs that you're ready for the next tier. First, check your contact limit. The free plan supports up to 1,000 contacts. If you're getting close or starting a big marketing push, you'll need more space. Second, look at users. The free plan is great for one user. If you need to add a sales rep, a marketer, or a support agent to the platform, you'll need a paid plan for more seats. Third, evaluate your automation needs. The free plan gives you basic workflows, but if you need complex branching logic, advanced triggers, or higher email sending limits, an upgrade unlocks that power. Fourth, consider features you're missing. Need advanced reports, phone support, custom deal fields, or removing the EngageBay branding from your emails. These are all paid features. Finally, if your business is growing and you're relying on EngageBay daily, investing in a paid plan often pays for itself through better efficiency and more closed deals. The best approach is to use the free plan until you consistently hit one of these limits. Then the upgrade becomes a clear, strategic move. And that's it. Knowing these triggers helps you plan your growth and upgrade at the right time for your business. If you've upgraded, let me know what pushed you to do it in the comments. See you in the next one.